Welcome to my detailed review of SalesLoft, a powerful CRM platform tailored for sales engagement. If you're looking to streamline your sales operations, improve team collaboration, and enhance customer interactions, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the entire SalesLoft interface, showing you exactly how it works and what makes it stand out from other CRM platforms. First, let's start with the user interface. SalesLoft provides a clean and intuitive layout that's easy to navigate, even for beginners. The dashboard gives you a clear overview of tasks, pipelines, and performance metrics, all customizable to suit your workflow. One standout feature is the SalesLoft Cadence tool, which allows you to automate and personalize your outreach sequences effortlessly. Whether you're contacting leads via email, phone, or social media, Cadence makes it easy to stay consistent and effective. Next, we'll dive into SalesLoft's integrations. It seamlessly connects with popular tools like Salesforce, LinkedIn, and Gmail, ensuring a smooth workflow without the need for constant switching between platforms. These integrations not only save time, but also provide a unified view of your sales activities. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Be sure to check them out after watching the video for additional tools and insights. Now, let's explore the analytics and reporting capabilities. SalesLoft offers in-depth analytics that track your team's performance in real time. From engagement rates to revenue projections, the platform provides actionable insights that help you identify strengths and areas for improvement. You can also generate custom reports to share with stakeholders, ensuring everyone stays aligned on your goals. Another notable feature is the coaching functionality. Managers can use SalesLoft to monitor team calls, provide feedback, and facilitate continuous learning. This makes it an excellent choice for organizations that prioritize employee development alongside achieving sales targets. While SalesLoft has numerous benefits, it's not without its limitations. For smaller businesses or those on a tight budget, the cost can be a concern. However, the value it provides often outweighs the price, especially for growing sales teams looking to scale. To conclude, SalesLoft is a comprehensive CRM tool that excels in sales engagement and team productivity. Its user-friendly design, robust features, and seamless integrations make it a top choice for businesses aiming to optimize their sales process. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews of the best tools and platforms. Your support helps me create more content just like this. See you in the next video.